Welcome back. In the last class, we discussed in detail the concept of time value of money, time preference of money, what is meant by present value as well as future value, and discounting concept as well as compounding concept. The discounting concept is the other value of present value concept, and compounding concept is the other term of future value concept. And we discussed in detail the equations which we are going to deal with and compounding in case of simple interest as well as compound interest on the base of time value. And today we will discuss in detail how we are going to deal with various cases regarding time value with regard to simple interest as well as compound interest. Next case, find the present value of ₹1000 due after 3 years if the rate of interest charge is 10% per annum using simple interest. You are asked to find the value of 1000 after 3 years. That is a simple meaning of this question. You need to find the value of 1000 after 3 years if the rate of interest charge is 10% per annum. Here the 10% per annum, it doesn't mean that it is an interest on a certain amount. It is the present value factor for that specific amount. Here the present value factor, just remember the concept regarding the depreciation. Depreciation, you know the reduction in the value of the asset. Usually depreciation may be represented in percentage. Just like that, there is a sort of diminishing in the value of money on the base of certain percentage. That is known as 10% per annum. And we have discussed about the present value factor in the previous class. So as per the details given, here the annual amount is 1000 and you are asked to find the principal amount. N is 3 and R is 10. So here you need to find the value of 1000 after 3 years. So the equation P equal to A divided by 1 plus NR by 100, which can be written as P equal to, from the details given in the question, A is 1000 divided by 1 plus N means 3, R is 10 divided by 100, you will get 1000 divided by 1 plus 0.3, that is 3 into 10 divided by 100, you will get 0.3, that is 1000 divided by 1.03. So the value is 769.23. So the present value of 1000 after 3 years will be 769.23. That is the concept of present value factor on the basis of time value. Next case, find the present value of ₹400 due after 4 years compounded annually at the rate of 10%. Here the equation is compounding interest concept. So the equation is P equal to A into 1 plus R by 100 raised to minus n. You can follow any one of the equation. For the time being, we are using this equation. In the question, it is given that find the present value of the case. So you need to find the value of P. The A or future amount is 400 due after 4 years. So the N is 4 and the R is 10% and it is 10. So the substituting the same in this equation, you will get A is 400 into 1 plus R is 10 by 100 raised to N minus 4. By solving that, you will get P equal to 4 into 1.1 raised to minus 4, which can be written as 1.1 raised to minus 4 is, it is the same number is multiplied 4 times. So 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1 and 1.1, you will get 1.4641, and 1.1 raised to minus 4 The concept is you need to divide 1 divided by the same value. So you will get P equal to 400 raised to 1.1 raised to minus 4, which can be written as 1 divided by 1.4641. I hope you all remember the concept why we divided the same with 1 divided by 1.1 raised to minus 4. So if you divide 1 divided by 1.4641, you will get P equal to 400 into 0.683. Finally, you will get the amount 273.20. So the present value of rupees 400 after 4 years will be 273.20, and the interest rate given, it is the present value. Here the interest rate 10%, and the previous question it is 10%. It is the present value factor, otherwise known as discount factor. Discount factor is the factor that has to be considered while finding the value of money in a future period. There is a table for finding the present value factor for each rate. We will discuss about how to find the value of certain rate in the coming sessions. So just go through this time value concept and the cases regarding that. We will discuss about the further cases in the coming sessions. Thank you.